Vibe coding with Zendesk App Builder. Yeah man, let's do this. I have no idea what vibe coding really is, but I just thought you bring in the vibe and then you code. And I don't code, so what can go wrong? I was looking for ideas on what to build with this tool, and if you can see my screen, there's this post on Reddit which inspired this post, is splitting Zendesk ticket without losing previous context. So this for me is a child ticket. Now if you don't know, Zendesk App Builder is this new feature from Zendesk, which is a game changer, and it allows you to vibe code in Zendesk. So it allows you to build apps with a prompt. Oh my god. So it uses OpenAI, Zendesk APIs, the ZAF framework from Zendesk, and then the Garden database, which has HTML elements to make the UI look nice. What otherwise wouldn't have been default functionality, you can now do that with this custom app builder from Zendesk. It's in early access. It's not released to the general public, but it's coming very soon. So I want to build an app that when a ticket is created and it has a certain tag, I wanted to create a child ticket, or like a carbon copy of that ticket with the subject line, with the description, and with the ticket fields in that ticket, and just create a child ticket that is related to this initial one and just put it as a task, because this is the use case. Look, I'm just going to copy my prompt because I just prepared a little bit, so this is it. I'm just pasting it here. So what I'm going to tell the AI, I haven't tried this specific example. So with the AI, you have to be very specific and very concise with what you tell it to do in order for it to actually understand what you want, so it can do the thing right. So I want you to create an app that creates a child ticket only when a ticket is created and a certain tag is present on the ticket created, right? See, so you have to be very specific with the AI. I have no idea if this is going to work. We're going to troubleshoot it because that is also available. The app needs to copy all of the data, subject, description, and ticket fields from the parent ticket. The child ticket should have status new and be assigned as type task. Okay, so in Zendesk, you have to be familiar with the Zendesk terminology in order to give it these right instructions. And maybe you're familiar with the concept of, having a child ticket from a parent ticket, and then the status new is like, it's just coming to the system. It has a tag, you know what that is. And then type task in Zendesk is the default functionality. It means a ticket is either a task, a problem, an incident. In the app settings, I should be able to add the tag which triggers this action. So when I install the app, I want to be able to say, hey, look for tag blah blah, which is actually a good idea to use a tag blah blah. Now let's click send. Well, the AI is thinking and doing its thing and is replacing, people like myself and developers specifically. This used to be, part of the offering that we have. If you go on our website on roka.work and you go to services, you can see in this dropdown you have onboarding, optimization, system integration, app development. Right. So this is a service that we used to offer as paid service, and this is now going away. We're just waving it bye-bye from, like in the ports, you used to see people go off with a boat. You'd wave them with a handkerchief. Well, yeah, we are waving this one off. I'm a bit nervous because part of the business is just evaporating, and I'm in a position where I have to reinvent myself. It's okay because I already have some ideas and I've already briefed the team and everybody's on board and actually feel like I'm doing the right thing. Finally, I don't feel lost anymore. All right, so now back to vibe coding. Doom. Yaman, miago tell him. Jamaicans, don't cancel me. Or whatever, do what you have to. I'm sorry. Just having fun here. By the way, I'm sweating balls in this jacket. It's my wife's, and Jesus Christ. Aha! Create child. Whoa, okay, so look, on the left hand side I have child. This is what the features. So configure a trigger tag in settings, automatically detect when a new ticket is created and the trigger tag, create a child ticket with the same subject, description, and custom fields, set child tickets to task instead of status new, show success notification when child ticket is created, display detailed error message if something goes wrong. Yes. Okay, setup instruction, install, configure the trigger in the app settings. When a new ticket is created with that tag, a child ticket will automatically be created. All right, so I'm just going to publish this bad boy. Yes, only available for agents, agree and publish. Let's see, because last time I did a video on this, the app, fucked up. It didn't get what I wanted. Well, I'm human, so I didn't know what I wanted exactly. So the AI just gave me exactly what I didn't want. Well, I thought I wanted something, but I explained it poorly. All right, so now let's go to support in here. Let's refresh our screen. So So let me go to Admin Center and then go to Apps and Settings and the Support Apps. And then the app is going to be named. In theory, I should add this tag in the settings of the app. But let's see. Custom view, child ticket creator. Yes, this one. Just click it. Created it. Admin, All right, so it doesn't give it here. Let's go back and let's go in here. Let's open up a ticket. Let's open up the apps, please, on the right. And let's scroll down. And here it is. Enter the tag. I want the tag blah, blah. This is the tag. Save settings. Boom. Error. Name APU unavailable. All right. I get this error. Good. So let me just inspect element here in the console and see what kind of warnings I get. App child ticket. Settings did not work. I'm going to copy this because this is what I did last time and it worked. So let's go back here to the prompt. I get some errors. In the console, I get this. All right. And then in the front end, oh my God, this Zendesk bot here on the left here is just killing me. I can't see how I'm typing or why I'm not typing. I'm going to copy this error message as well. Go back. I get this. All right, so now I'm just going to communicate with the AI and let it know, yeah, man, no good, man. Just fix it, bro. I'm gonna get so canceled. But who cares? We're vibing. We're vibing. I need some music. Just fire up some music here. Well, we wait for the AI to do its thing and it replaces me. So yeah, you know what? The AI will spare me because I've always said please and thank you. And you know how you're supposed to talk nicely to it and it's going to forgive you and just let you be? Well, I am fortunate in that sense because I've been a good boy. Sucks to be you if you didn't say please and thank you to the AI. All right, so I have version 2 now. Generated app version 2. So I have version 1, version 2. And yeah, by the way, I have here code, what it did. And if I knew how to code, I'd be able to spot stuff, but I do not. So let's upload this again. Next, agree and publish. Right, in the meantime, I'm looking for an end user, which I'm going to use to create a ticket, test ticket, to see if this app works. So it's going to be this email address, and I'm just going to go to the tags on this profile. So if you know Zendesk, it's the fact that if somebody, you'd add a tag here, and this person creates a ticket, then automatically this tag is added to every ticket that they create. So I'm going to send an email from this email address. All right, so this has been installed. Let's go back to a ticket. Now let's refresh our screen to see if the app will work now. Enter the tag. Yeah, all right, let's see, blah, blah. Save settings. All right, this has been saved. Now let's go to our email address. Okay, let me choose my email address and then say support at, yeah, this one. And then, okay, let me just random text generator. Oh man, remember when we used to use this thing? Let's do, this is going to be the subject line. Great lead. Okay, and then just copy this. I'm putting all this text because the app has to create, a duplication of all of this stuff. So I'm sending this up. So now if I go back to Zendesk, I see this one, greatly hearted, who has who believe, whatever. And then if I go back to my views and I go to unassigned tickets, I see a ticket new, which has greatly hearted, has who believe. So it's from the same person and oh look, it's has same subject line, same description, and then if I scroll down, task, look, and now I can set a due date to 25th of June, and that's it, I'm done. Woo! And that's basically vibe coding in Zendesk nowadays. Thanks for watching. My name is Dominic. I'm a customer experience enthusiast. I've been on for the past 15 plus years, 12th year of being a Zendesk consultant. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. We kid sometimes because, I get bored the fuck out. So I like to do stuff differently. I think I'm an entertainer more than I am a consultant, but who knows? Maybe that's my future. Maybe not. I will see you in the next one. Bye.